So today I've got a pair of sneakers that is playing a big part in the fact that Yeezy and Adidas are splitting up. So yeah, pretty controversial. So let's find out how good they actually are, why Kanye hates them, and we've got to address the growing call for a boycott on all Adidas products. So here they are, and here is the box. I gotta say the box is pretty underwhelming. I've seen Adidas do a lot more special packaging for a lot less of a sneaker. So pretty much what you're getting is the standard Adidas Originals box, which is all over blue. You've got the 3 stripes, and that's pretty much it. So let's pull them open because there is a lot we need to get into. Today's controversial pair of sneakers, it's the Adidas AdiFOM Q. So here we go, the Adidas AdiFOM Q, looking absolutely wild. Now I literally cannot talk about this sneaker without talking about Yeezy. We're literally in the middle of a Yeezy and Adidas split, at least according to Kanye, and this sneaker is in the center of it. According to Kanye, he wants to leave Adidas because they stole his designs, amongst other things. Now even though this sneaker has never been explicitly mentioned by Kanye West, he's shared a lot of images of this sneaker on his social media. The AdiFOM Q's resemblance to the Yeezy foam runner is definitely there, and a big part of why Kanye's so upset right now. And if Kanye called out the Adilet 22 for being a fake Yeezy slide and a knockoff of his designs, then the AdiFOM Q would definitely be under that same scrutiny. If you think that Adidas is completely innocent and they had no idea what they were doing with the release of this sneaker, take a look at this video that they posted to their official TikTok.
Is it me? Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama. Maybe I am. Am I the villain? I don't think I'm the villain.
Now, to this day, they've never actually addressed all of the accusations of them copying Kanye's designs. That video almost comes across, at least to me, like an acknowledgement, like they're taunting Kanye and they wanted this to happen. Why else would they have put that sound? They literally could have used any sound.
Is it me?
I mean, even the release of these things could get pretty squirrely with everything that's going on right now. According to Kanye's Instagram aimed at Adidas, he wants to leave the company by yesterday. Now, in terms of their release, they did actually have a smaller release out in the US already. It was through retailers like JD and Champs. And as for a wider global release, that's supposed to be happening on September the 15th, if things go to plan. They're even loaded up, ready for a release here in the EU and the UK. As of right now, I believe there's only one German retailer, Asphalt Gold, who has them loaded up, scheduled for September the 15th. They retail at $120 US, same thing in euros, so I assume it's gonna be about 100 to 120 pounds when they do release in the UK. Now, according to that retailer, Asphalt Gold, they have both this colorway and the black and orange one loaded up, supposed to be releasing at the same time. You do have a couple color options if you did want these, but do you want these? Let me start off by saying on foot, these really do kind of live up to the hype and comfort. It really could have gone either way with a crazy shoe like this, but they are pretty comfortable. I mean, Adidas have always been pretty good at producing some of the most comfortable sneakers out there, so it's definitely something they know how to do. I mean, if we compare the AdiFOM Q directly to the Yeezy foam runner, they feel a lot more like shoes. Ever since the explosion of foam shoes with the foam runner, we've seen many brands create their own version of a foam sneaker silhouette, but none of them, at least that I know of, had laces. We recently took a look at Jordan Brand's take on a foam clog shoe, and they kind of had the same thing going on with their inner removable sock piece, very similar to these. Those Jordan Brand shoes are not even in the same ballpark in terms of comfort or design. The AdiFOM feels cozy and fitted to the foot, and the inner sock piece made of prime knit feels pretty good on foot. Now, attached to that prime knit inner sock piece is an Adi Plus cushioning midsole, which takes the comfort of these to a whole nother level. But the exterior, or the exoskeleton, is really where the foam runner resemblance is in full effect. From the color to the oval shapes, the fact that it's foam, to just generally the outline of the silhouette, they kind of just feel like the sneaker version of the Yeezy foam runner. I mean, they've got laces, an outsole, and an inner sock piece with plenty of padding. They even kind of smell like foam runners, like that smell when you pull a pair of brand new foam runners out of a box. It smells just like this. The foam material is definitely a bit less squishy on this pair of AdiFOM Qs. Like, the foam runners squish super easily, and I guess contributes to why these are so comfortable on foot. These definitely feel a lot more solid and, again, more sneaker-like. There's a completely different texture on the upper as well. It's all covered in ridges and lines, a lot less organic looking than the foam runner. Now, as for the controversy, this sneaker actually has become the face of the Adidas boycott. A lot of people are reposting this image of the black colorway of the AdiFOM Q, which has a red cross over it. Most notably, Diddy reposted it, Swiss Beats, and Pete Rock. Now, you may just think that it's Adidas using Kanye's design, but it's so much deeper than that. Like, take Diddy's post, for example. He captioned that picture of the AdiFOM Q with, "Since the era of Run DMC, Adidas has always used hip-hop to build its brand and make billions off of our culture. We are more than just consumers now. We are the owners. Kanye West and Yeezy are the reason Adidas is relevant to the culture. We know our value. I'm done wearing Adidas products until they make this right. We have to support each other. Everybody repost this." At the end of the day, I think this is more than just about Kanye. As sneakerheads, I think it's so important to stand with the actual creators and creatives. It's embedded in what we all love and appreciate, the designs of the sneakers. And with that being said, guys, I would love to know your thoughts on the situation, what you think of the AdiFOM Q, and just generally what's going on right now. There is a lot happening, a lot changing, but drop your thoughts down in the comment section. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then. Okay, so because these are such a crazy design, I thought let's go and find out what other people think about this pair of sneakers just based off of looking at it. Hey bro, sorry, you're eating. I shouldn't be disturbing you, but I wanted to show you these and I wanted to get your exclusive opinion on them.
Holy, make sure my hands are clean.
All I need to know is just, what do you think of them, bro? They're crazy, but what do you think? What are your thoughts?
I'm a big fan of foam shoes.
You like the Yeezy foam runner, right?
I love the Yeezy foam runner.
So do you like these then?
Can I pull it out?
So the inner sock piece
How does
is
that
tied
work?
in with those laces.
Oh, what the hell? What is this contraption? Oh, that's the sole?
Yeah, so when you take that out, you've just got a hole in the shoe.
That's laced with that?
Yeah.
What size are these? They look big for an 8.
Yeah.
Do they fit?
They fit, but they just are like super wide.
You cannot wear it with shorts. No chance you wearing these with shorts. It literally make your legs look like toothpicks.
Would you wear them?
Under very certain circumstances.
Okay, and what would you rate them out of 10?
A 5.
5.
Five.
Mid-tier, huh?
Mid-tier.
Appreciate you. You can go back to eating your food now. Hey, I know you're busy. I'm disturbing everyone today. All I want to know is, what do you think of these?
They're ugly.
They ugly?
Yeah, I don't like them.
You don't give them a chance at all?
No, I really don't like them.
But you like the Yeezy foam runners?
Love the Yeezy foam runners.
But you hate these?
Hate them.
Okay, so I guess if I ask you the 2 questions, would you wear them?
No.
And out of 10?
0.
0!
I really don't like them.
Not even 1?
No, I don't like them.
Damn.
Don't like the orange.
Alright, well, I'll let you get back to work.